Only recently I came to know about this pencil box. One of my student was using this, and when I tried few pencils, and I got to see all the stuff inside the box. I'm really impressed with all the materials which are included in this box. Three sets of stumps, which are of which seems to be of good quality, and also a pencil extender, and the knife is also very handy and it's very good. I have sharp pencils with this, the kneaded eraser, and the normal eraser, a sharpener, and a complete set of pencils. And pencils are of a very good quality, and the dark pencils which are of like 6B and above are quite dark, and they are not that breakable, so they are not excellent, but it seems to be of good quality. And I have also tried them. I have also done shading with these pencils, so I can guarantee the quality of the pencils. And they have also 5 charcoal pencils. I'm not sure if these are 5. uh, I'll be sending the link and you'll get the list of all materials which are in this box. So the 5 charcoal pencils are not sharp, you have to sharp them. So yeah, usually what happened whenever like students are coming to me, and I have to share links of all the different items, like pencils differently, and then erasers, and it usually took a week or 10 days to receive all the item. But this problem has a solution. I'm also trying these pencils. You can see, like, the 6B, even 6B pencil is quite dark. It's like not a hazy black, which usually graphite pencils are, like that. It is more towards charcoal pencils. So I'm quite satisfied with this, so I thought of sharing with you all. Do try this, and I'm sharing the link with you all. Do try this, and please let me know how do you like this. Thank you. I'm sharing few of the works of my student made by this kid. Just have a look. I guess you are going to like them.